Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss question number 6 and 7 from exercise 8.1 of NCERT textbook. Okay, so first here we are going to read question number 6. Okay, so in question number 6 what is given? If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then here we have to prove angle A equal to angle B we have to prove. Okay, so here what we have to do? So we have to first draw a right angle triangle, right? Trigonometry means we have to always draw we have to always consider a right angle triangle. So here I will draw a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, because in the question itself it is given that angle A and angle B are acute angles. Okay, so according to question, angle A and angle B are acute angle. So okay, and what is given here? One more thing is given. Say here cos A is equal to cos B. Okay, so here I can we have to take according to question, cos A is equal to cos B. Okay, now see what we have to prove. We have to prove angle A equal to angle B. Okay, so now we can prove it. See what we have to do. Here we know that cos theta means it is the ratio of base by hypotenuse. Okay, it is the ratio of base and hypotenuse, that is base by hypotenuse. Now here also in place of cos A we can write the ratio of cos A. Okay, now see cos A means we have to take this angle A. Now if we take this angle A, then the side opposite to this angle, that is BC is the side opposite to angle A. So in this case BC will be the perpendicular, because we know the side opposite to the angle is always perpendicular, means BC is the perpendicular if we take angle A. Now if BC becomes the perpendicular, then AC will be the base and AB is the longest side, that is the hypotenuse. Now in place of cos A, if we want to write the ratio of cos A, that is base by hypotenuse, so in this case base is AC. AC is the base and AB is the hypotenuse, so we have got AC is equal to AB. Similarly for cos B, okay, for cos B we have to take this angle B, right? If we take this angle, then AC will become the perpendicular and BC will become the base. So here we can write base by hypotenuse, that is BC by hypotenuse, that is the longest side AB. Now see here AB is present in both left hand side and right hand side in the denominator. Okay, so we can cancel out AB. Now if we cancel out AB, then we will get AC is equal to BC. Take it as equation number 1. Okay, now see in this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AC becomes AC is equal to BC, that we have got. Now we know that there is a theorem, we know that, okay, there is a property of a triangle, or we can say there is a theorem of a triangle, that is angles opposite to equal sides, angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Okay, we know there is a theorem, that is angles opposite to equal side of a triangle are equal. This theorem we have learned in class 9. Okay, so in this triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC, and AC and BC are the opposite sides. Means if opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles will be equal. Means if AC is equal to BC, so here we can get angle A will be equal to angle B. So in this case, in triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. That is from where we have got, from equation number 1. From 1, if AC is equal to BC, so according to this theorem what we can write? Therefore we can write angle A will be equal to angle B. Okay, so here what we have to prove? We have to prove angle A equal to angle B. So here we have got angle A equal to angle B, right? So this question is very easy. We have proved it. Angle A equal to angle B, hence proof. So very easy question, you can note it down. After that we are going to do question number 7. Okay, now see in question number 7, the value of cot theta is given 7 by 8, and we have to evaluate 1 plus sine theta whole into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta whole into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, we have to evaluate this. Now this question can be done by two different methods. First method is, see here cot theta ratio is given 7 by 8, and cot theta means we know, see what we know, cot theta means it is the ratio of perpendicular base by perpendicular. Okay, cot theta means it is the ratio of base by perpendicular. Here see what is the ratio given. Ratio is given 7 by 8, means from here we can get the value of base, that is we can take it as case A. So here we have got the value of base, that is base will be 7k and perpendicular will be 8k. Now we can find out the hypotenuse. After that, after getting hypotenuse, value of hypotenuse, we can easily get the value of sine theta and cos theta. Right, this is the one method that we can do. But now we are not going to apply this method. We are going to apply trigonometric identity. So there is a identity, that identity we have to know. The identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We are going to use this identity and we are going to solve it. Okay, so two different methods to do the same question. Okay, so first method already I have told you. The method is here cot theta value is given, means first we can take out the value of base and perpendicular. After that we can find out by Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of hypotenuse. After getting the value of hypotenuse, we can find out the value of sine theta and cos theta, and we can put here and we can get our answer. This is the one method. Now the alternative method is we are going to apply one identity. The identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This identity we are going to use here. Okay, now how to do it? Say this is also very easy method. Okay, easy method to solve it. So what we are going to do, solution for question number 7. Okay, right. Okay, so here first we are going to write what is given in question number Roman number 1 of question number 7. So here in Roman number 1, the question is given 1 plus sine theta whole into 1 minus sine theta. Okay, 1 plus sine theta whole into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta whole into 1 minus cos theta. This is what given in Roman number 1. Now see here it is in the form a plus b. Here if we take 1 as a and sine theta as b, now it is in the form a plus b, a minus b. Right, in denominator also if we take 1 as the a and cos theta as b, then here also in denominator also it is in the form a plus b and a minus b. We have taken 1 as a and sine theta as b. In this case we have taken 1 as a and cos theta as b. So it is in the form a plus b and a minus b. Similarly here also a plus b, a minus b. Now we know that there is an identity. The identity is a plus b, a plus b whole into a minus b is a square minus b square. Right. So here in this case we are going to apply this identity only. So see here how to apply this identity. So here we can write in place of 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, we can write 1 square, that is 1 minus sine square theta. Because see we know identity is a square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. Here already it is in the form a plus b, a minus b. Means in place of a plus b, a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. So here a is, we have taken a as 1 and b as sine theta. So we can write a square, 1 square means 1, minus a square minus b square. B, here the value of b is sine theta we have taken. So we can write sine square theta. Similarly in denominator also we can get 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. After that what we can do, now we can use this identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. See, if sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then what we can write? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Means if we take cos square theta to the right hand side, so sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, if we take sin square theta to the right hand side, then we are going to get cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so from this identity we have got two more identity, right? Now see, in this question we have got 1 minus sin square theta. So here see, 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. So in place of 1 minus sin square theta, we can write the value of 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta, that we have got from the identity. Similarly, in denominator, see what we have got, this identity. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of 1 minus cos square theta, we can put its value, that is sin square theta. So here in place of 1 minus cos square theta, we'll put sin square theta. Now see, there is another one identity, or not identity actually, there is another one ratio, that is sin theta divided by cos theta is always equal to tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to always tan theta. Now if sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta, means if we do the reciprocal, then cos theta by sin theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta is cot theta, right? So in place of cos square theta by sin square theta, we can write cot square theta. So here we have got cot square theta. Now cot theta value is already given in the question. So what is the value of cot theta given? In the question, cot theta value is given 7 by 8. So now in place of cot square theta, we can write 7 by 8 whole square. Then 7 square will be 49 and 8 square will be 64. So here we have got 49 by 64. So this is the answer for the first question. Okay, you can note it down. Now after that, what we have to find in Roman number 2, we have to find cot square theta. So cot square theta here we have already got. The value of cot square theta we have got, that is 49 by 64. Means in Roman number 2 we can directly write cot square theta is equal to 49 by 64. Okay, correct. So by using identity we can easily solve this question.